Hi guys, it's Manji. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this green smoky eye. I did use the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, which looks like this. I only used this palette for this whole look. If you want to know how I achieved this smoky eye, and if you want to know a little bit about how the shades blended, just keep on watching. And before we do, please hit that subscribe button for videos every week, and let's get started. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to dab a little bit of that on the lid and blend that out. I'm first going to start out with the color Potion, is this green shade right here, and I'm going to put it all over the crease. I'm going to put the majority of it in the outer corner of my crease and then blend it inwards. The next shade I'm going into is Inside Job. It's that darker green in the middle. I'm starting in the outer corner and just move my way in. I'm taking little by little and building that color until I'm satisfied with the pigment. So now I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm going to dip it back into Potion and blend out the green so it's not so harsh. So far everything is blending pretty well, but at the same time I've only used 2 shades, so I'm just going to see about the other shades. I am going to cut my crease just to have a little bit more lid space, so I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape again and just do that. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm going back into the palette. I'm going to take the shade Trickery, which is this shimmery green shade. I think I am going to spray it just a little bit. And I'm going to put it on. This color is very beautiful. The last thing I'm going to do to the lid is take the shade Power Cut, which is that silver-ish gray shade. It looks like this. I'm just going to pop a little bit of that to the lid in the middle of the green, just for a little pop of color. And fix it a little bit with the brush. Okay, so for my bottom lash line, I'm going to use the shade Potion one more time. I'm going to blend it under the lash line. And use Inside Job. I'm going to use that to tightline my lashes. And blend it out with more of Potion. I'm going to use Power Cut, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners. I'm using a black liner. I'm going to use a little bit of these two shades. I'm going to put it on my brow bone just so I don't leave it bare. And also set my concealer. I am not going to do a wing because I don't think this look needs it. But I am going to put some Adele lashes. Okay, I just put on some falsies off camera. So this is what the eyes are looking like. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I did use about 6 shades from this palette. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The matte shades were very blendable, and the shimmer shades were really nice, especially Trickery. This green, it's very beautiful, as you saw when I put it on the lid. All the matte shades were very blendable, and they were smooth enough where I did not have any problems with blending. Obviously, they are not high-end shadows, but they were creamy enough and smooth enough to work with. So I do think it is worth the money. So please subscribe for more videos and follow me on my Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.